Hello students, now I am going to explain the smart charts lesson. One student is there, Amini. She did a project about the animals and birds. About animals and birds, Amini did a project. What she is doing means to count the animals, she is using tally marks. For suppose one cat means one line she is drawing like that, two cats means two she is like drawing like that, three cats means drawing like this, four means 1 2 3 4, five means like this she is drawing. These are tally marks we can one only one line, two cats two lines, three cats three lines, four cats four lines, five cats five lines. Like this the Amini is drawing. At that time we should count and write the numbers. She did a project and she gave the tally marks. For cat, animal and tally mark and number. Here see cats. For cats, see what is the number? 5 5 5 5 4 24. This 5 10 10 24. How many dogs we have? Here see 5 5 5 5 5 5 2 10 10 10 32. These two. Now for rabbits, how many rabbits we have here? See 5 5, total 10 number. And for cows, how many cows we have here? See 5 10 15 20 22. How many parrots we have here? 5 3 8. Next, how many goats we have here? 5 10 15 20. How many squirrels we have here? 5 10 50. See, these tally marks given by Amini, we should write the numbers. One box means 5, we know that 5 5 10 15 20 24. 5 5 10 10 5 15 15 5 20 25 25 25 5 30 30 plus 2 32. Rabbits 5 5 10. Here see cow 5 5 10 15 20 22. 2 lines we have, so 22. 5 3 lines we have, 8. So 5 5 10 10 5 15 15 5 20. Here see 1 2 3 3 5 lines we have, so 15. Total how many animals we have here? Just count. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 5 21, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 30. 131 animals we have here. Here see, look at the tally marks and write the number of each animals in the table. How many children all did Amini talk to? Like this we should do. Which is the most favorite pet animal? What is the most favorite pet animal in these 24, 32, 10, 22, 8, 20, 15? What is the most favorite pet? Dog is the most favorite pet here. Same like that, another project done by another one about the vehicles. Now same, in this same process only we should count how many cycles and how many cars and how many auto rickshaw. Here is cycle, car, auto rickshaw, bus, cycle rickshaw, truck. How many tally marks we have? They gave here. See how many tally marks for cycle? 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 3. 5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 20, 28 cycles we have. And how many cars we have? 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 cars we have. And how many auto rickshaws we have? 5, 5, 10, 10, 5, 15, 15 plus 3, 18 auto rickshaws we have. How many buses? 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 buses we have. How many cycle rickshaws we have? 5, 5, 10, 10, 10, 20, 24 cycle rickshaws we have. How many trucks we have? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 trucks we have. This is the each vehicle. How many vehicles we have? These tally marks and the numbers also. Total how many vehicles we have? 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 10, 25, 25 plus 8, 33. This 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. Total 103 vehicles we have. How many vehicles in all? It's Sumita see on the road. Sumita see saw these are all vehicles on the road. Cycles, car, auto rickshaw, bus, cycle rickshaw, trucks. She saw and she did these tally marks. How many cycles, how many cars, how many auto rickshaw, how many buses, how many cycle rickshaw, how many trucks, how many. Total 103. Auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks. Auto rickshaw, how many we have here? Auto rickshaw 18. Trucks 6. Auto rickshaws are thrice the number of trucks. Yes, we have the thrice number of auto rickshaws here. Make a tally marks for 7 more buses. 7 buses. Wow. How many? How we should do the tally marks? 7 buses means do the tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this we should do the tally marks for 7 buses. 2 trucks. 2 trucks for 2 trucks. How to do the tally marks? 1, 2. 2 trucks. Okay. Next, in the EVS period, the teacher said to children whether help their parents at home. There were different answers. Children named the work in which they helped their parents the most. The teacher collected their answers and made a table. In home, how many members are helping to their parents? EVS teacher did a table. Help most in housework. Help most in housework. Number of children helping in which work? Going to market. How many members are going to the market? 47 members are going to the market. Washing utensils. 15 members are washing. Washing clothes. 3 members are washing clothes. Making, serving food. How many members are making and serving food? 25 members are making and serving food. Cleaning the house. How many members are cleaning? 10 members. Total how many members are helping to their parents? Count. 20, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 100 students are helping to parents in their different ways. Some members are going to market and some members are washing utensils, some members are washing clothes, some members are making and serving food, some members are cleaning the house. For this, we should do the one chart. We actually in math language we should call this as pie chart, but here what they got now, can you fill the chapati chart to show the numbers given the table? This is the chapati chart they gave, and cleaning house 10 members, and for 3 members only washing clothes, and 15 members only washing this, 25 members only 25 members making serving food, remaining 47 members are going to market. Okay, going to market. Like this we should do. Already the gear, so we can do like this. And next practice time we gave after completion of school, how many members are doing their own things, how many members are enjoying like that, what they like to do after school. After school, watching TV, how many members are doing, and playing football, how many members are doing, and reading storybooks, how many members are doing, and cycling, how many members are doing, and playing indoor games, how many members are doing, and homework, how many members are doing homework. We should ask our friends and we should write only 10 members. Ask any 10 members and write this list. Mostly all members, you have 10 friends now. After completion of school, how many members are watching TV, how many members are playing football, how many members are reading storybooks, how many members are in cycling, and how many members are playing indoor games, and how many members are doing homework. You can ask your 10 friends, those members. Some members will say, at that time you can say like this. How many members are doing means at that much number we can give. Okay. Add mad. Here Ragini love to watch cartoon television. Actually Ragini want to see the TV very well. So cartoon she is watching. One day she thought to count the number of ads during the break. In break time, how many ads are coming, she want to count. She found that in each break there are 14 advertisements. Each break 14 advertisements are coming. In 10 of those ads there were children as actors. In those 14 ads, in 10 ads, children are actors. Why do you think that children are used in so many ads? Right, your wish. Children, why children are so attractive to in ads? Use tally marks to count the number of ads during the short break in program. In break time, how many ads are coming? 14 ads are coming. For this 14, prepare tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5, 10. Remaining how many we have? Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 14 ads are coming during the break. Okay. Try yourself. Next time when you are watching your favorite program time, count the number of advertisements during each break. How many tally marks you can write. Okay. Next, hot and cold. They gave 1st June and 1st December. We should write here. See 10 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, and 30 degrees Celsius, and 40 degrees Celsius. Like this they gave. In Delhi, 33 degrees Celsius, and Shimla 22 degrees, Bangalore 28 degrees, Jaisalmer 38 degrees. Like this they gave. On 1st December, like same 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees. In Delhi 23 degrees temperature is there. In Shimla 10 degrees only there. And in Bangalore 24 degrees only there. In Jaisalmer 25 is there. Like this they gave on different days in those same cities. Report newspaper they gave 2 bar charts. Highest temperature in 4 cities on 2 different days, in June 1st on June 1st and on 1st December. In Delhi 33, Shimla 22, Bangalore 28, Jaisalmer 38 degrees Celsius. Here same Delhi 23, Shimla 10 degrees and Bangalore 24 degrees and Jaisalmer 25 degrees Celsius we have. Which city is the hottest on 1st June? On 1st June, which is the hottest one? 33, 22, 28, 38. Which one is hottest? 38 is hottest. Now 38, what is the city we have here? Jaisalmer. Next, which is the coldest on 1st December? 1st December, what is the coldest? 23, 10, 24, 25. Which is the coldest one? 10 degrees is the coldest one. And 10 degrees, which city we have here? Shimla. Shimla is the coldest city on 1st December. Which city shows little change temperature on the 2 days? On 2 days, which city is the little change temperature? Here 33, 23, 10 difference we have. 22, 10, 12 difference we have. 28, 24, 20 only 4 degree difference. 38, 25, 13 degrees difference. Most, what is the little change of difference on this 1st June and 1st December? We have Bangalore only. Bangalore here on 1st June 28 degrees, on 1st December 24 degrees. So less difference we have. 28 degrees minus 24 degrees, 4 degrees only. Remaining here 33, 23, so much of difference. 10 difference we have. 22, 10 degrees, 12 difference we have. 38, 25, 13 degrees difference we have. Okay, I'll continue the remaining in next class.